So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about," which I was talking about AI art. Whatever, he's right. But then, out of nowhere, he adds at the end. He says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly, like, or whatever? You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, "So is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me?" Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea, like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI to generate some hair stuff. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1. Miropelia is book 2. And I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programming stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe. So you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. You're just learning everything. It's great to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're gonna put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something like that. Well, you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody's like, oh, I'm a nerd. And they're like Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's like everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd, that means no one's a nerd. Come on down to WordPress town and hang out with good old Orbem Order and his scotch. You know what we do here. We party. They said it couldn't be done, but I did it. I started stream late. What up, Tom Loves Nordic? Eric Rano? What up? How are y'all doing? Don't let my southern draw deceive you. I am neither southern nor do I draw. Alright. What up, peeps? How's it going? Happy Tuesday. The worst day of the week. Dak Dude. I like your toilet title. That's pretty good. Bathroom Wars, Episode 5. The Expired Diary Strike. Oh, the Expired Diary Strikes Back. That's horrifying. Thank you for that image. Well, just getting up and running. Hold on. Background noise? Can't you see the printing happening? Let me move the mic down a little bit. Alright, there we go. Yeah, I was a little quiet. Alright. Let me get YouTube going too. We must see what is going on here. Perfectos. Perfectos mundos. And you. Yep. Nailed it. Alright. Yeah. That's the 3D printer. Correct. Today's a printing / game dev stream. Uh-oh. The piano is lagging. Hold on. Let's restart. Hey! True Brazilian. I'm guessing that's what your name means. Welcome. Hey. Love me some Brazilian. All about that Portuguese. How's it going? How's it going in Brazil? How you doing? You, developer? A lot of good web developers in Brazil that I know. You. And let's switch you to you. And... Alright, that's working. Okay. Yeah, so we're doing a scavenger hunt for the kids. My wife is putting it together. And I need to... It's Alice in Wonderland themed. So, we're putting a little figure in each of the golden eggs. Kind of look like this. Fancy eggs. So I need to make 7 of these Alice in Wonderland themed characters. Like, this one is, you guessed it, the White Rabbit. They're all going to be gold. I'm going to be painting them gold. And then we have the Cheshire Cat. Meow. Came out pretty good. Pretty good detail on the face too. And then we got number 3, which is the Mad Hatter with his teapot and his cup. Came out pretty good. The hat's pretty good. You can see the little card in there. Yeah. A little jacket. And number 4, the Queen. Do you play croquet? So she's there. Face is not super detailed. The STL I got wasn't that great, but it was the only one I could find that was one piece. Everything else was like 1,000 fucking pieces. So, and it came with a little croquet ostrich. Oh, flamingo. That's 4. Number 5 is printing right now. It's the white rose. And it's in 4 pieces. Might be too big, though. We'll see. I'm a little worried it's too big. But if it is, I'm just going to give it to my wife. It's her favorite character anyways. But yeah. How's it going, everybody? We left off with some handy-dandy issues. Not issues, but I was trying to get the NPCs to stop walking when you touch them. And you'd think it'd be easy, but if they're on like an auto path where they're walking on like a set path, I want to pause it and then I want to restart it. Oh, do I not have stream avatars on? I don't know, man. You know, the WordPress Twitch API connection it's not the strongest one I've ever made. But, yeah, there you go. Let's go! So, yeah. We'll see how the print goes. Alright, that might be a little better. Yeah, seems like the background noise is minimized. Hey, no scope trades! It's going good! You know? I mean, I hate Tuesdays, but at least it's Tuesday night. It's close to hump day. And, we have a path. We have a direction for today's stream. As long as I can get there. You son of a bitch. Why is it not saving the fucking coordinates? Yeah, it did save the coordinates. So then stop starting a new game. Yeah. But today I want to finish the NPC stopping functionality. Where they're walking and I want to stop them. I also need to figure out that bug. I don't know what it is. Ah, fuck. I already screwed up. No! No! Oh no. I can't stop it. I forgot. He's got a goddamn auto cutscene I need to avoid. Okay. Let's actually figure out what this bug is. It's probably just a configuration issue. But I want to know why it won't let me go to the next area. Hey, fuck you, plant. Alright, let's see. So it's a cores issue. Well, that's weird. What happened there? Preview. Response. No response. Provided. Oh, shit. It's my application password. Huh. That's weird. It shouldn't be wrong. That's kind of weird. But then it's right when I refresh. It's kind of weird, right? Hold on. What's... This one is... the coordinates? Nah, coordinates was working. Oh, maybe it wasn't working. That's why it won't let me go. I mean, that's why it won't save the game. Coordinates. Here we go. Oh, this is still using the XML, that's why. Ah. Yeah, REST API key's old news, dude. Let's... Oh no. We have to swap all these REST routes. To fetches... is. Wah, wah, wah. Well, boring stream? Code cleanup? Check the memes channel. Let's check. Can't be. That's good. Amazon Prime. Autobots. Sell. Or whatever he would say. I like it. That's hilarious. Alright, so let's go to the top. First off, I need an example of my fetch. Because I think I made all my fetches posts. Which is not good if I need information back. Hey! Kuzo! Swiped first one here. That dude probably already thought that Indy already did it. Bummer, Dak dude. And you're on Twitch too? You could have totally taken that. Bummer sauce. LOL. Hey, you don't have to laugh so loud, dude. Here, let me restart stream avatars. See if we can get both you guys. I think you're not on the list yet. First one here! Where is orbemword.com? I wonder. No, you're here. Let's try again. Don't blame me. Can you stop going to the bathroom? Please? I'm asking nicely. There we go. Two for grace. So let's see. Fetch. So we need to, yeah, application JSON. Yeah. So let's, we need this, basically. And I need to replace all of them like this. Do we have a fetch method post, actually? I don't think we do. I mean, get. Now, see, they're all post. Okay, save, enable. What is this? I don't even know what this is doing. Adding points. Equip item. Save. Save. Enable. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so these are all actions. But I feel like I can still get return data, so I'm gonna just call them all posts. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. Anyways, I know if you're using the fetch for the REST API, like a custom REST route, you use post even if it's getting information. Oh, I'm being ballsy touching that mic. It could blow up at any time. All right, let's check this out. So let's go to the top, and let's start replacing calls. Because this will definitely break eventually. And it's not very secure having my API key chilling. I guess I can just search for XML. Yeah, there you go. So here's one we can replace pretty simply. We'll throw this. We'll make this user ID and then ID. Can be like that. I think. Is that what it's expecting? Shit. I don't actually know what it's expecting. But it might be. So ID, user ID. That's pretty much it. Let's double check. Add spell. Let's get rid of these unneeded shit right now. Here we go. Nope. Here we go. Did you void your toilet warranty? Yeah. Yeah, they don't want that back. You're screwed. You shit the pot, man. Add spell. Ooh. Spell. What? Add spell. Oh. It looks like... Oh no, it's right here. Oh, it's one word. Idiot. Change this to a post. Get rid of the route. Oh, it's user ID. Alright. Oh, no. Well, what's the other one? ID. Spell ID. Alright. You do you, boo. Wait, what happened? Oh, I guess I closed the wrong one. What the fuck? Why did I close the class that I was just looking at? Okay. So now you get rid of this. Right? Yep. And it's post and it's the function. Yeah, and that's it. Well, I think I'm going to change all the JavaScript first, and then I'll come here and change all of these. I don't need to go crazy. We know that this will work. Alright, next one. I lost my whistle. Okay, what do we got? We need current user ID. We need ID for whatever that is. Safe storage item. I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. Name. And then we need value. And then remove. Oh, it's probably whether you remove it or not. Okay. I think that's good. So now let's go check what the fuck that is. Getting rid of old code. Alright, save storage item. I'm closing you. Save storage item. Here we go. So it's user. I don't know why I don't have a standard. User. ID is ID, okay. Name is name. Type. Value remove. Type? Oh. I guess I forgot type. Type, value remove. Alright, cool. Good to go. And now we can get rid of this. Coolio. Coolio. Alright. And this should be good to go. Next. I could save myself a lot of typing if I just put theme URL with all this, but whatever. Alright, next up, reset. This is the one that is constantly fucking around. And all it requires is current user ID. Which makes sense. Alright. Let's see what the actual name is in the code. User ID. Okay, that's good. Okay, this looks good. Next! We only have 4 more after this. Or maybe we have 7. I forget. Oh, we skipped some. Going back. Wait, what? Mission. Save mission. Oh. I run a... Okay, cool. Replace. This one is mission. And current user ID. Get rid of Jew. Pop, pop, pop. Fantastic. The fuck? I just went crazy. Oh. What the f... For some reason I forgot what to do to untab something. The hell's wrong with me? Okay, so this one's just mission. I just need to know if mission is mission. 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 Here we go. Mission is mission. Alright, and it's user ID. Oh, shit. Solid. Okay. Let's go to the next one. And that would be add character. Okay. So this one needs character and user ID. Yeah, I really wish I didn't have to pass user ID every time. It's just the REST route itself can't get current user. Which kind of makes sense. It's like an async thing. Alright. Character. I think it's probably just character, I'm guessing. Let's just add character. Ba-dum-bum-ba-dum. Add character. Where are you? Here it is. Oh, slug. Fucking sure, why not? Slug. Okay. Slug. Character. Sounds good. This is a post. Next. 5 to go. Add coordinates. This is another one that was breaking. I'm hoping this will fix it. all those little send bugs. Should be more reliable. Oh shit. I'm removing pixel on the fly. That's fine. I can do that. So what is this? Left and top. Current user ID. Okay. Left equals left dot replace ex. Right is right. Nope. Top equals top dot replace. Yeah. You got the gist, ID. And now we can get rid of this shit. Womp. And this shit. Grand, I say, grand. Yep. Music channel? Alright, sure. I'll do it blindly. Whoa! Is that pink? Or is that just the lighting? Tape player didn't work recently. Both the pulleys on the cassette assembly weren't connected properly. Oh, nice, you fixed it. Super glue, fixed some of the antenna, fixed the motor and the belt for the record player. Now it works amazing. Wow. Oh, it records cassettes. Nice. Yeah, I mean, that was the whole reason to have cassettes back there. Back then, because then you could record from the radio. Or you could copy one cassette to the next cassette. Wow. Looks familiar, except for the pink. That's sick. That's a major machine, man. That was top of the line back then. That ain't no trashy thing. Awesome. It's dark red. You're fucking dark red. If that's dark red, you're dark red. You pink mother... Dark red. Yeah, maybe it is. Bad lighting. Okay. This works. Alright. And then... what do we got? Left top user ID. And this is coordinates. Coordinates. Left top user ID. Okay, perfect. Don't need to change that. It's a post. Perfectos. Perfectos mundos. Mundos. C. C. It's not your fault you have an old fat halogen. Yeah, that's true. A bunch of blue lights will make it look pink. Should make it look purple, but, you know, what do I know? Okay, so this one is enemy. Which I'm guessing means enemy damage. This is kind of an old one that I don't even think I'm using right now. Or maybe I am, actually. Maybe I'm not. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. Alright. Now... I could make this happen after. Nah, it's fine. Alright, what do we got? Position, user ID. I'll assume it's position. Uh-oh. What's 0? I guess it doesn't matter. Probably doesn't matter. I guess I should check. Enemy. The enemy of my enemy is my friend. Oh, health. So... health. 0. Couldn't figure out the word till now. Oh, maroon. Got it. That makes more sense. It does definitely look more maroon. Like a light maroon. What up, Indy? You didn't get first. It was Kuzo. Of course he's alive. He's just a hardcore drug addict dealer. Drug addict dealer. Alright, let's get rid of juice. I got the juice. You let him get it? Oh. You're too kind, sir. You are too kind. Okay, it's not position, though. What was it? It's position. Okay, never mind. Alright. These are all good. 3 to go. We're almost there, guys. We are replacing all of these old HTTPS calls. Yeah, you're all drug dealers. Not me, man. I'm clean. Been clean for years. From playing drug dealer simulators. Alright. Looks like we need to reset the stream avatars again. Here we go. Come on, stream avatars, you could do it. Nope, didn't work. You know... Oh, hell yeah. I'm on Linux? Hey, Linux. Hey, you know nobody has popped Scotch time in over a week. In like 9 streams. I had to do it myself yesterday. Isn't that weird? It's like you guys don't care. No! Well, I didn't mean you had to do it, but... okay. Let's go. You're broke from the 7 times. So dumb. Such a waste. Worth it. Hey. Sorry. Cheers. Happy Tuesday. Let's go. Did you hear? I got my sustain pedal. I've had it for like 15 years. You can hear the difference. It's my foot pedal. Sorry. I got into it. Okay. What was I doing? This. Linux setup, man. I don't even know what that is. I know what Linux is, but like, I've never ever used it. personally. I mean, cool, right? As long as you have all the apps that you need. I guess it's... Is it faster? Is it just because you have like ultimate customizational ability to your operating system or something? I don't get it. I don't get it. I need a use case. Give me a use case for why you need Linux, and I don't want to ask ChatGPT. Oh shit. Oh, this is actually you. Oh, this is the fucking. Oh shit. Okay, this is a big one. So I need to really make sure this works well. Let me take all of this, which I think is that. Nope. It's this. It's this. Nope. It's this. Nope. It's this. Yes. Well, that's part of it. So it's actually not all of it. Okay, so it's this. Yes. There we go. Good coding environment. What does that mean? What the fuck are you free to do? What am I not free to do right now? Again, I've never used it. I'm not knocking it, but what am I missing out on? No, but like, what am I missing? What am I not free to do right now on my computer? What do I need to do? Give me a use case. Give me something. Like, oh, I have a network of servers and I couldn't control them if I didn't have access that Linux gives me. I don't know. I'm just making something up. I'm saying, like, something like that. Why? Why? Oh shit, am I setting persist items like that on all of these? I should not do that. I'm gonna have to go back. Great. So that's that. That should replace all this, and then we can leave that alone. You wanted to have a use from my HDD. I'll give you a use. Fucking here. I don't know what an HDD is. What? A hard drive drive? A super hard drive? There's one thing about me you guys need to know is I don't know much about hardware. And I know just enough about software. Hard disk drive. That's just a hard drive, right? Got it. You can't use a hard disk drive on a Windows? All my Windows had hard disk drives in it. Okay, so we need position and current ID. And then we'll see what area actually needs position. Alright, cool. Good to go. You can, you just don't want to mix your SSD in. Oh. Yeah, can't you use both in the same system? Seems like it'd be beneficial. Okay, so is response the right thing for the data I need? New map items. JSON parse E. Wrong. So instead of... I just need a response. There we go. Oh, good. It was that simple. I think it's that simple. We'll see if any of this works after all the switching. Dual booting is good. Yeah, right? Because SSDs are faster. and HDDs are more robust, like better for persisting data. SSDs are better for like accessing the data quickly or something. Sounds right. Oh shit. I was wondering why the background was all weird. Operating systems. Oh. You're dual booting. Again, give me one good goddamn reason that Linux is needed. I just want to know. I'm not saying it's not needed. I just want to know one reason why it is. And don't say because you're free. Because I don't feel like I'm not free. I'm just going off of what everybody else says. The only thing I fucking hate to do is install things using my Apple account. That's all I fucking care about. Unless you have a company controlling your computer, you're pretty much free to install whatever with Homebrew. Alright, this will work. Nice. Next! Oh, 2 to go. And then I gotta go back and fix all of them. What is this? Still so much stuff. Another load one. Hold on. Blah, 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 blah. 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 Interesting. This also has called true. That's weird. Oh. That's for a reason, I'm sure. Oh shit. What did I do? Okay, this. Wait. What just happened? Did I not paste the fucking thing? Hold up. Wait a minute. Put a little love in it. Oh shit, I didn't have the right thing copied because I copied the other one. Give me the fetch, ya batch. That was good. I'll take you. I'll take all of you. Let's actually do that. Perfectos mundos. We are perfect. No. I need XML. Sure, we'll just do this one real quick. Oop. Nope. Yep. And this one should be pretty simple. Bop, bop, bop. Bop, 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 around. Oh, and we can just put the file href. Perfectos. And then let's get rid of all. Okay, so this is clean class, which I don't know what that is. I'll leave that. We need drag me with some stuff. Oh, this is save drag. Wow, what a drag. Drag me item. I guess I could have just done that. Drag me item. And then drag item. Okay. Mostly comes down to performance, secure development. Okay, to be honest, there's not really a super good reason to use Linux unless you are... There's some tools you need on Linux. Got it. They're just like a specific security tool or hacking tool or some doodad that you need. Uh-oh. The printer froze. Oh, there we go. Wait, how is the print going? I haven't really been paying attention. Do I need to stop it? No. It's a little bit complex over there, but it's supposed to be complex. Yeah, it kind of looked for a second one of the tree or supports fell. It's just for showing off. Yeah, for sure, man. Check this shit out. Drag item. Last but not least, user ID. Great. Alright, well, let's figure out what all this shit's for. So this is drag. Save drag. So we got slug. Alright, well that's good to know. You are slug. You are a slug. Top left user ID. What? Top left? Oh, that makes sense, I guess. User ID. Okay. You can mod apps easier. Ooh, interesting. So if you are ballsy enough to allow your app on Linux, like if you haven't figured out a way of blocking it, then you're opening yourself up to some major mods. Is Linux what people use to like mod games so heavily? That's one thing I've always wondered. I wondered if, like, I really wonder how people mod games. You know, like when you hear, oh, a dude completely reskinned all of Witcher 3 with more realistic fucking squirrels. You know what I mean? Like, I always wonder how people do that. Are they actually taking the PC game and then importing it into like Unity and then they're redoing it? Like, how do you build upon a game that's already built? Like, they minify their shit probably. I don't know. I'm sure you can unminify, but it just seems like a lot of work. I don't know. It seems like a lot of work. Yeah, people got a lot of time. What you gonna do about it? Alright, this one should be done. Last but not least, let's do the get item description, which was another one of those hard ones. Nope. I gotta copy it again. Hold on. Fetch. Gimme again. God damn it. Gimme. XML. Take this. And this. And file href. I could make a util function that all you have to do is pass the parameters and the route, and then that would remove a ton of lines. Shit. I'm gonna do it. No, I can't do that. I won't do it. Because there's stuff I need in the then. I don't want to pass it. Whatever, we'll keep it like this for now. Okay, so we need all this stuff inside the load. Year load. That's what she said. Yep. Ju. And we'll put Ju in here. I don't know why I'm returning anything. If it's made with Unity, then you can mod it pretty easy. Oh, got it. But the game is using a thing like... Oh yeah, like something custom too. Those custom game engines. intermediate language in the CPP, which makes it harder to reverse. Okay. You include thingy that you can use to reverse it. Seems like hard. I mean, if you're really good at coding in Unity already, like you know C#, then I guess it would be easy for you to just treat it like any other game. Okay, so I do shit. Const JSON string equals user ID. Nope. User ID, current user ID. And then ID is, I don't know. So we'll find out. Wait, what? You got a waffle without me? Son of a bitch. Juice. Son of a bitch. Alright, let's find out what ID is for. Oh wait, did I not change this? Save drag? Whoops. Boop. Boop. You're a drag. You're in drag. Oh, ID is ID. I nailed it. Yeah. Boom. Boom. It's not hard with things like... I'm not reading that. Stop sending me your ChatGPT responses. Okay. I think we're good. I think that's all of them. Now, whether any of them work. Good fucking question, I always say. Oh yeah, we gotta change this. This is just response now. Fantastic. Oh shit. It's not just response. What is it? Response.json? I think that is what it is. It's response.json. Son of a bitch! That's fine. That's fine. I don't need the response. I don't need the response. I got the response. Oh, okay. This is how I'm getting the response. Shit. Well. Why am I doing that? I'm not even using it. Am I? Why am I... Oh, data, audio, content. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Oh, nice. You typed that out yourself? Yeah, right. You can't type fast. Fuming. That's called nerd rage bait. I bet you type at least the top 120 WPM. That's probably the most you could type. Yeah, fuck. Fucking nerd rage bait. Let's go! As I do. Okay. Are you watching him? Well, then I'll read it out loud. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, shit. $150? I can neither confirm nor deny that. Compile it into DLL for other people to use. Oh. Oh, so like, are there like communities where people decrypt a game and reverse the compiling, and then they just post it for other people to be able to mod it? That's kind of cool. I like it. Is this the persist item one? It is. Okay, good. So then this is actually necessary. This is not, though, right? No, this is save mission. Unless... I don't think it's necessary. I think I just copied it. Well, we'll know when I break things. Fuck. Oh, see, I did it here too. Add character. Definitely don't need that. Okay, and then I removed it here. They do that for games like Fortnite too. Nice. Fortnite's already a clusterfuck. Why the hell would you want to mod that? They already add random ass characters. Now everyone's naked. Remove thine clothes. Save setting. Good. Alright, another one of those persist item ones, which I don't think I need. They reverse connect to hack. Hack the game, yeah, that's right. It's a live service game, so you have to hack it, I guess. Okay. Another one of those persist ones. Another one of those persist ones. Man, I really copy and pasted the shit out of that. I think we're getting close to the good stuff. This is hurt thine enemy, which you still aren't using. Can I be alone? Let me try to reconcile. Here we go. JSON. Though, do I need the JSON? I don't think I need the JSON parse the output of JSON. But I do need to await. Right? I thought I did. No? Shite. I think I need to do this. Return that. Then data. There we go. Right? Yes. Okay, so I have to do this, basically, to get the data. Next. Yeah, I don't technically need to return it unless I'm going to use it, but whatever. Oh, here's another one. Return JSON response.json. Then data. Yeah, whatever, I'll just retype it. Because I'm cool like that. You think you're cooler than me? I think it's just like that, right? Just straight up data. I think. As an eyewitness. Wait, what? Terrorist, huh? Huh. Oh, on AMD. That's weird. Good, good. Continue typing. Did you see my little Alice in Wonderland? People? I forgot if I showed everybody already. I know I showed some people, but I don't know if you were all here yet. It's my Mad Hatter. Here's my White Rabbit. And then here's my Cheshire Cat. We're all mad here. You added this bar at the top of my screen where it connects with Spotify to show what song you're playing. So you can in the middle click the thing to pause and play the song. Left click to go back. What? You can't do that normally in Spotify? I don't have Spotify, so I don't know. I'm on Spotify, but I don't use it. Yes. It's mostly because I don't like listening to other people's music. Oh shit, I forgot to remove this. Womp. Almost fucked that up. Alright, I think we're good. I think we're good to move on to the PHP side. And anything I fucked up, I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't know why this works. It didn't work. The other one didn't work. Oh, it's because the fetch URL. Because of no wait. You just wanted the functionality in the widget. Nice. Yeah, I know a lot of the shit you do is just for fun. Just to, like, test your skills. Make your life slightly easier. Which I appreciate. Okay. So now I gotta go all of these and rewrite them properly. Like, this shit will not work. So I need to go to a function that... Here we go. Request body shit. JSON decode. Yeah, I gotta do this. Yeah, right. You just had a stroke. Don't blame the cat. Oh, it's gonna suck rewriting all this. Alright, well, you gotta start somewhere. Shit. And of course I have to scroll through everything. Hey, WebSocket. Show you timing app, CPU. Nice. Very useful when you forget the date. Here's all the restaurants. Now, starting with you. Wow. So, data will replace return. So, we'll replace... What am I doing? I'll just fucking change it to return. I'm an idiot. Let's make my life easier, not harder. Return! Right? Yeah. That's pretty much how it works. And this should just work like that. I think. Yeah, it does. Works just like that. Great. So let's do it again. Turn me into a record? Ooh, that'd be awesome. I always wanted to be vinyl. You have a record recorder? Does that tape player that you fixed, does that make records too? It can record records? I don't think that's a thing. That would be awesome though. Okay, this is definitely a helper function. Here we go. But this ain't. This ain't. Wait, no, this is also a helper function. It's a callback function. Oh, wait. Well, is this one too then? No, no, no. Yeah. What? And then we'll change you to return. Hot damn. No, they get made in the press. You can't record them. I thought you could get a blank one, and then it can scratch it in. and it records. Pretty sure that's what it does. It scratches it in. I don't know. Maybe I'm misremembering it. DMs. Hey, Game Doodle. What is it? Oh, is this your little widget? Ah, cool. Love it. Of course you're listening to Rush, you addict. Wait, where am I? Oh, right here. Am I thinking of something else? Oh, okay. Whatever, man. You're thinking of something else. Okay. Next. Nope, this one's good. This one's good. This one's not. And then we'll change. Oh, no, that's good. I think that's all I had to do. Okay, next. I really hope it's this simple. And it doesn't just all break everything. It's gonna break everything. I hate when I do this. This is very important though. I need to make sure all these calls work. And I don't let my site be open to attack again. Why am I here? That was a long one. Alright, here we go. Blap. You see how that worked? Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Safe settings, okay. Uh-oh. This is a big one. Get Orbem area. Hope this works. Really nervous about this one. A lot of functionality. DMs again. Let's see. It's possible to record a record onto vinyl records. Oh. You could directly record onto vinyl. See? That's what I was talking about with the cutting lathe. So I'm right. Or you can record onto another medium like... and then master the recording onto vinyl. Master it. Huh. Well, yeah, no shit. If you wanted to make a custom record, though, you could, though, which is kind of cool. I don't know where you go into those lathes. I wonder if they're expensive. Let's see. Record lathe. I got a vintage one. Nope, nope, nope. The fuck? 2,500 bucks. I don't want to make one that much. This one's at 125 bucks. That's what I thought it was going to be. Oh, here we go. They have new ones. No. That's just a lathe. These are regular lathes. Lathes are actually pretty expensive. Okay. Anyways. Very cool. Okay, so this should be good. Here's another one. That should be good. Here's another one. Got a lot of rest routes. Should really be creating my own class for it. Oh, here we go. This is a good one. Delete. Holding on. They still sell blank records? Yeah. Yeah, you probably gotta get a classic one or a used one. Something on eBay like that one. Look into it, because you need lathes. You need to make your own records. Instant business. Like that Etsy person. I think that was the last one. Honestly. I think we have successfully converted all the rest routes to using fetch. Like a boss. And you know what that means? Let's just make sure, actually. Return. Yeah, I think we did it. Right? Yeah. Alright. So that means I can make sure I'm not sending the damn REST API. REST API key. Let's get rid of that. You are gone. Thank you. I no longer need your bullshit. Alright, let's compile. And let's just test the site. I'm sure it's fucked up. I'm sure there are some portions that are fucked up. So let's refresh. And if it doesn't error right away. So far so good. Let's check the coordinates. Well, I got a 200. Payload looks good. Response is empty. So let's refresh and see if it worked. It did. Alright, so far so good. That actually worked. And then let's see what else we got. Let's make sure it's still working. It is. Let's go to the new area. Oh, but I refreshed. It was kind of already working. Hold on, let me start fresh. Oh, let's try new game. Go. New game. Hey, that worked really well. The old new game wasn't working at all. I mean, easily. Forest Green. First off, thanks for jumping on, man. And thank you for your question. WordPress game engine. Great question. I'm a WordPress programmer. And this is my marketing website. Orbem.com. So I needed to build a game based off of my book series, and I needed to put it into my website, which is on WordPress. So I decided I want to build a game into the website. So if you just go to Escape to Orbem, you can play. And I'm using WordPress just as an asset manager, so, you know, saving all the images, all the configurations, the items, the positions of things in the game, game options, you know, and music, all that kind of stuff. So it's basically just like a really complicated website UI feature. Because I'm just using vanilla JavaScript and Sass styling, so it's not like I'm doing anything crazy. But yeah, WordPress game engine, websites on WordPress. I wanted the game to be on the website, and I didn't want to just kind of like iframe it in or put a canvas or anything like that. So yeah, I'm actually using WordPress as the game engine, as you can see here. These are all my options and custom post types that I registered. And it works pretty well, but I want to add so many more features that it's kind of dragging. But yeah. If you have any questions when you if you're watching still, yeah, feel free to ask. All right. Look in the DMs. God damn it, guys. Hey, why don't you just send it in the damn messages? Why do I always look at your damn DMs? Here's what they look like. Yeah, I already showed that on screen. This is... What is this? Terminal Task Manager looks like? Fucking awesome, man. I don't know what to say to that. Alright, check this out. Remember my video of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle flex keys? Yeah, right. But making this as a showcase makes sense. Yeah, cool. Thanks, Forrest. And eventually I'm going to let people use this. I'm going to put it in the WordPress directory and they can have their own little RPG game maker for their website. So it has a future purpose as well, other than just being a promotional tool for my fantasy sci-fi novel. Check it out. We got, what is it, Donatello and I don't remember. Orange and purple Ninja Turtles. I got the full set now. So, in case you were wondering, yes, we have purple and orange now. Thanks to Game Doodle, who provided the awesome filament to finish this project. Get your flex keys now if you like dexterous and agile fingers. You know, you need to type, you need to play piano, you need to rock climb, you know. It helps, you know. Get them. They're only $4.99. On sale now for $4.99. Regular price $4.99. I only ship in the US though, so sorry if you're not in the US. But you can watch me make them live too. And yeah, Game Doodle. Go ahead and shoot the order over so I can make that shipping label. And I'll get these over to you in a jiffy. Woo. They're sitting here absorbing all of my whiskey air and good vibes. Oh, you already placed it? I didn't get a notification. I'm sure I will. Awesome. I have my label printer here. Look, I even have your box ready with the brand new Orbem.shop label. I'll be there soon, Game Doodle. So lame. Get yours today. Now at Orbem.shop. Actually, this stream has been brought to you by Orbem.shop. Get your hats. Get your hats. Get your hats. Get your candles. Get your 2 light switch shelves in 3 colors. I gotta post more colors. Get your flex keys. Get your whatchamacallits. Your shirts. Get your purple on purple flex keys today. Oh my goodness. I think this is gonna be a winner. This is gonna put me over the edge. People are gonna want these. Especially with the purple and the orange. Look at this. That's obnoxious. That's gonna sell. And get your puzzles. And your coffee. You can literally get coffee. Get a jumbo 20-ounce coffee mug. And get the book. Or books. And read Orbem while you're drinking Orbem Order coffee out of your Orbem Order coffee mug while you're listening to your music on your Orbem Order outdoor Bluetooth black water speaker. It's a lifestyle, guys. Lifestyle brand. How fun. How fun for everybody. Okay, let's make sure everything's working still. So, new game worked. Coordinates worked. So I think we're on to, you know, we have a good start going. Unfortunately, I don't have all the functionality to the game built in production, so I'm going to have to test it here real quick. I don't remember what else I have. Alright, let's go. Let's fuck this guy up. Any other? Oh, here we go. We have an issue. Yeah, wait, why is it saying cores issue? What the fuck is that about? What does that even mean? Why is it doing option? And then post. Post, and then option. I don't know what that means. You know React exists? Ben! Of course I know React exists. Don't you know what Gutenberg is made in? This, my friend, is React. It's the WordPress content editor system. And then look, I even made my own custom block using React in order to pull all the data that I need. Is this insane? You know, it's fucking insane, actually. Yeah, I've been working on this for years, guys. I'm not gonna lie. This has been fucking passion project for sure. But, I mean, this is what 4 years of game development will eventually get you. You'll be able to create a very functional RPG video game. I mean, it's mostly about the assets, right? I mean, all the functionality is just random. I got my starting video when you start a new game with the very handy skip button, and then you start your game and you walk around the office. You can read signs. You can run into... Oh. See, I created a functionality that makes the NPC stop moving when you run into them. But unfortunately, it kind of fucks up their walking path. So now she's going to go flying off the screen. You can break plants. Look at this. Like, watch me break this fucking plant. Oh, hold on. I got to move over a little bit. Watch me break this plant right here. Bah! Fuck that plant. Fuck that plant. So basically I just created a plant destroying RPG in WordPress. So it's pretty good. Collision detection, yeah. Oh no, this is as robust as you can get for collision detection too. So, and I'll tell you, I won't waste your time because you're on a live shorts feed. I'm sure you're going to scroll, but I use an SVG to create collision points. This is everything you see here. The pretty part of it is just like a facade, but there is an SVG map underneath it using rectangles, and I literally use JavaScript to detect if I'm touching the rectangles, and if I am, I push away from it. That's it. Which you can see right here. This is it. This is just an SVG I made in Illustrator with rectangles, and I used the rect HTML tag to detect if I'm touching one of the walls or whatever. And I use the same collision detection for items and people and stuff too. But yeah. So if you ever need to add a new thing that you can't touch, you just create another rectangle in here. I mean, any shape I could use probably, but I'm sticking with rectangles. It's very pixel art RPG. And it's easy for people to do, you know? Alright, Kuzo, go take your shower, man. Yeah, by the way, the speaker, it has a good bass, and it does. I'll use it to listen. Shine down sound card in the shower. Gross. Yeah, probably. Yeah, and then, that's like a major breakthrough that I got done. And then we use, Google API text-to-speech. Whoa, what the hell?
Hey, Mr. Salverson.
What the hell? Why did that... What is playing? Oh my god. It was another screen. That confused the shit out of me. Yeah, I use Google text-to-speech API to make the characters talk, too. You can see right here.
Hey, Mr. Salverson. Mr. Salverson?
So,
Craig?
in all the cutscenes, they use the WordPress editor
great.
just to display the text.
You were there. Look, so sorry about your
And you can
project
switch
not
different,
working out.
you know, that was the custom
Don't
block I
worry,
made. You
though.
can switch
You're a young
what
guy.
character
You'll
is
do great
talking.
things in your life after Foresight.
Sir, you know I was days away from solving the vortex disruption
So
and
good.
getting a real proof of concept.
Grain, unfortunately, no one saw.
Correct.
And it is
Cranston and Giles have been in a funding war with me. You
And
know
I
they'd
use
say
actual
anything to-
dialogue from the book, too. So, if you read the book,
there's just no
probably
way
very
they'll agree to let
exciting.
me keep funding your research. I'm sorry.
buy it.
Meet me in my office.
How mysterious. Hey, where's he going? Come back. He just ran through that door. That's pretty impressive. And then, yeah. Then I can go into other areas. And I'm literally loading entire new maps with all the items that go in that map. I have util functions that pull based off of the area. I can determine. I use categories in WordPress to determine what goes where. It's very integrated with WordPress. Ooh, nice table. Oh, the print finished. I can't tell if it actually went well, though. Let's pull it off the bed. Looks pretty good. Yeah, nothing fell over. Nice. But yeah, any of you dudes want to watch this crazy progress on the game and all the other random shit I do, feel free to subscribe. And jump over to the full screen YouTube or Twitch for a better experience. You can talk with the other guys. We also have a Discord that you can find on orbemortar.com. I got a lot of awesome programmers and artists and stuff on there. I myself am a website programmer by day. Used to work for Disney for a while, Universal, Warner Brothers for a bit too, all the studios. Built Harry Potter websites, built a website for Carrie Underwood, and DisneySyncLink.com, I built that. And yeah, I've just been doing a lot of enterprise level WordPress engineering, so anything that's not WordPress, I would be doing in WordPress. So this is a very fitting progression of my side work. Oh wow, this came out great. Look at these petals. This is the white rose from Alice in Wonderland. Making it for a Easter scavenger hunt. Little prizes. Yeah, we'll have to clean this up. So wait, how many is this? I have 5. I have 1. I have 2 more I need to make. Which I think... Let's see. Oh, Alice is the last one, and then I have to do the cards. I wonder if I could get Alice running right now before I log off. That would be fantastic. Where is she? It's all in a different language. Okay, here we go. Head, body. Perfectos. Yes, correct. Let's jump to her head. And move that bitch over. Oh, shoot. Alright. Perfect. I like to do it in like kind of the front quadrant of the bed. Let's do something like that. And And to get the most detail, I really should lift her head up so that the lines are at the bottom. Let's see how that looks. But I don't want it to be perfectly straight either. I bet I could lean it back and get most of the shit on her hair, which kind of look like detail on the hair. Yeah, like I bet that would come out pretty good. Not too much to deal with. There's definitely going to be some on this fucking floating bit. Should be okay though. Unless I flipped her head upside down. Do it on the top of her head? Maybe. Let's actually try that out. Nope. Something like that. Yeah, because then all the support... Or let's do more like this. Yeah, like that. Because then I don't think this needs support at all. And all support's in the back and the top. Yeah, let's try that out. I think that's what I was doing before. And then here... I don't know how I'm going to do the body, actually. Maybe from the head up. Just it's not very stable, that's the only problem. And this would be a nightmare. Full of fucking... Let's stand her up, maybe. Yeah, let's try standing her up. And then all the support's on the bottom of her dress. A little bit on her hand. The hands are the worst, but there's nothing you can do about that. Alright. Let's try that. Why is my shift not working? Yeah, that's good. Let's move the head over a bit. Let's try that out. Come on, buddy. Give me something good. What is this? 48 minutes is not bad. Oh, I didn't scale it. That actually looks like the right size. I'm worried that this rose is going to be too big, though. Once that's put together. Definitely going to have to clean out this fucking hole. Clean out your hole. Alright. Yeah, I'll figure it out. The supports look fine. They look fine. It's a little annoying they have to go under the dress flap and shit, but... The head looks perfect because her face is completely untouched. Oh, that's what it was. 2 fingers. God, I'm an idiot. There we go. Yeah. I could change the density a little bit. But I already kind of went back on that. This is fine. I feel like the hands are the only thing I'm going to have to be careful with. Arms are a little skinny, but it should be okay. Alright, let's get this started. Alrighty. Push the button. See you in 48 minutes. And yeah, if you're wondering, this is an FL Sun T1 Pro. It's very fast, so Yeah, 48 minutes for a print this size and detail is usually insanity. It's usually probably like a 5-hour print or something stupid on an ender. Nice. Alright, what was I doing? Talking shit about the game, how great it is. It's so great. The functionality is gonna be fun. Okay, yeah, I was trying to figure out what the hell this is. Why is this failing? Oh wait, it's not failing. What? Wait, is it failing or not? It's a 200. Why is it failing? Alright, let's... It said a cores error? Failed to fetch. Why did it fail to fetch? Why? Explain. Failed to fetch. Been blocked by cores. I mean, it's my website. Why is it... Why am I blocked? Oh. Oh shit, am I not HTTPS? Oh shit, I wasn't on HTTPS, that's why. Hate cores errors, I know. Dumas. They call me Orbem Dumas. Have you heard? Wait, see, look, it switched back to HTTPS. I think that's why. My leave game button is doing the non-HTTPS. So I'm switching back and forth. That's totally why. And that's why when I refresh, I think it goes back to this. I just wish my local fucking... It says trusted my SSL, but it's not working for some reason. Reset permission. Oh shit. I want to accept. Let me accept you. Yeah, I want to turn it off. Screw you, brah. Alright, let's try it again. So, this is good. No, it's not good. What the fuck? Syntax error from the coordinate? Okay. This was just working 2 seconds ago. Oh. Response, oh jeez. Well, okay, I'm gonna get rid of all these fucking returns that I don't need. Response. Yeah, I'm getting rid of all of these. Unless they have a then, I don't need to return shit. Don't need to return you. Because apparently it's just causing problems for me anyways. I don't need you. I don't need you. Right? Yeah, yeah. 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 I don't think I need any of these. I think most of these are just being called randomly. And the response is unnecessary. Nope, still don't need you. This I do need. Nope, don't need you. Yes, I need you. No, I don't need you. Nope. Nope. And let's fix that. Nope. I think that's it. And then we got these two for the data response. Alright. Maybe that'll fix it. I don't fucking know. Alright, let's see if that worked. Nice plant. Why are you showing me this? Alright, ready? And coordinates. Nope. Shit. What's happening? Oh no, it worked. I just didn't get an error. I was expecting an error. Alright, cool. Now let's... No, let's not refresh it. I need to test the plant. Let's test the plant. Talking. Yep, that works. Good. Get out of here, you cookie. And... plant! Alright, no error. And I got the points. Okay, I think that worked. Yeah, I guess I just didn't need those random JSONs. Also, what did you think of your screams? I thought you were part of the crew of kids causing people a lot of problems. That's what I thought. It was a good scream, though. But yeah, the whole chicken jockey fucking up movie theaters thing, I think that's kind of sucks. Sucks for, you know, the people working there at least. Yeah, as long as you're just screaming, but like I was really considering going to go see the movie. You know, and take my youngest with me, because my wife and my oldest daughter went with her friend, and she went and saw it before all the meme stuff happened, so she didn't say anything crazy happened. And I was like, okay, cool. You know what? I love Jack Black. Sounds funny. Seems like he did a really good job. So I was totally gonna go see it, and then I saw all this shit happening. I'm like, I don't want to get in a fight with somebody at the movie theater, you know, like a bunch of idiots, high school kids or something, just coming to fucking do a TikTok, and I'm with my youngest daughter who has, you know, has autism and she can't handle loud noises like that. Like, I can't fucking... I don't feel like going to jail just for chicken jockey, so I decided to defer. I'll wait till it comes out on stream. You know? Not a big deal. It's one of those... Because I have a movie theater, you know, in the basement anyways, so I'll just go... I'll watch it, and I'll get the full experience. And I'll throw popcorn all over my own theater. How about that? Hey, these thorns came out pretty good. For the rose. Pretty dangerous, actually. Oh, now I know why the other one didn't fit. That's funny. Wait, so how does this even work? Wait, where's the face? I'm missing a part. Oh, it's over here. Idiot. Wait, so how does this stand work? I'm confused. How... Hey, Marwat, how you doing? Thanks for jumping on, my friend. How's your now Wednesday for me? Wait, is this supposed to be upside down? Oh, I think it's supposed to be like this. Oh, shit. I think she's supposed to go on the stand. Oh, like this is like her dress or something. And then this goes in here. And then this is her head on top. Oh, pretty. Yeah, this came out nice. I just don't know what the front of her is. I think it's like that, probably. Well, my wife's gonna freak. This is her favorite character in Alice in Wonderland. I wonder if I can remove this. It does seem like all my my new fetch calls are working well, though. So, I'm stoked on that. I'm gonna push them up. Let me go to the new area. Oh, here we go. We got our first error. So this is the new area. Oh shit, it looks like I forgot to remove the parameters. or new area. Yep. My bad. Not supposed to send anything on a post call. Alright, let's try again. What is it, Marwat? Funny you should ask. It's a motherfucking WordPress game engine. Yeah. So if you can see over here, this is my WordPress dashboard. You see I have this game engine right here. These are all my game engine options. I have actual game engine options, which is like, you know, global things, images for arrow icons, intro video, start screen music. And then I have all the areas in the map that you can go to. I have all the items that show up in those areas, which you can see they're categorized by area and what they are. Some are points, some give you mana, some give you health. Depends on what the item is. And then I have all the characters in the game, which are also assigned to an area. So they show up there in whatever, you know, position you give them. And all NPCs have the ability to walk on their own on a designated path. So, yeah, there's mini games. I have bosses. I've got enemies. I've got fucking everything in this shit. So, if you're confused, imagine me, the one who built it. Oh, there we go. It worked. Awesome. I just swapped over a bunch of old, like, XMLS fucking HTTP requests with fetch calls. Because that way I don't have to pass a fucking application password. And there we go. There's our cutscenes. And, oh shit, I'm stuck. But I'm stuck here because my punching is not far enough to allow me to get out of this room. Yeah. I even have characters that have special abilities, going fast, being super strong. Yeah, man. The WordPress game engine. Do I play games? Nah, just my own. Yeah, I only stream the development of my game. Also my 3D printing, which you can see right here. And I make music too for the game and other things. I just figured out that my M Audio can do a loop. That way I can rap. Just kidding. But that's interesting. Yeah. So is the logic mostly handled within WordPress, and WordPress just handles rendering the image, blah, blah, blah? Yeah. Yeah. All WordPress does is give me the HTML, you know what I mean? So, like, it dumps all the content out that I want based off of the post types and stuff. And I'm using WordPress functionality within this. So, like, this is my class, right? It's a PHP class in WordPress that's using WordPress functions to display templates, to call posts from the post types that I make, the categorization, all the queries and stuff that you normally do in WordPress. That's all the WordPress part. And it gives me all the images, gives me all the data points. Most of this is controlled by data points on the actual items, right? To determine what the thing is doing. You know, like data value, data ability, data fucking genre, like what kind of thing is it? And then I use vanilla JavaScript and Sass styling, just like a normal website. And that's what allows me to control the game with key inputs. It's mobile friendly, which, you know, as friendly as mobile can be. Check it out. And this is all on orbemortar.com/escape to Orbem. So you can play this live right now. At least this version right here. With the final assets. But you'll see on mobile, I have these little arrows. So I use touch to let you walk around. Which, yeah, exactly. There's a lot of flexibility, you know, with the rest routes going from the front end to the back end. Drag and drop website builder. No, yeah. I mean, Gutenberg isn't even, which is the editor. That's what it's called. It's called Gutenberg. That's not even a drag and drop editor. It's a block-based editor, as you can see here. You know, like I can use blocks to add images, to do columns, groups, you know. And so it's a content creator. This is a content management system. It's for editors, writers, to create good-looking content quickly. So it's not a drag and drop. It's not Wix, you know. It's not one of those super simple drag and drop things. It's pretty robust. And if you get a WordPress programmer who's been doing it for 16 years, then it doesn't matter that it's WordPress, right? Like WordPress is just the conduit for what you can do on the website. I mean, I have a store on the website. I have a video game on the website. I have, you know, multi-functionality. You see these, oh, you can't see, but I wonder if I could put these guys on there. I have a Twitch API built in to my website too. So everybody that's currently watching me on Twitch, which is not many, so don't worry about it, but what the fuck? How do I close this? Oh. So like this list of people, this is coming from the Twitch API and it's integrated into my plugin that I made. It's called Orbem Chatters and it allows stream avatars and stuff too. So I mean, you can do anything like any other website that, I mean, I could hard code all this too, you know, basically. WordPress just makes it easier to manage the content stuff. And it's a MySQL database. It's not a very good data structure. I will say that. WordPress isn't the flattest, most, you know, logical database. It does have some pretty complex queries in order to get basic stuff like categorization of terms and posts, but you know, once you know how it works though, it's really easy to know how to get what you need, which is what I'm doing on the game. Which I'm fully satisfied that this is working now. Seems like all the API endpoints that I've tested are working fine. So I'm just gonna call it until I run into a feature that is not working. God, I hate removing these. See, tree supports are really good, but on small prints, tree supports are a pain in the ass. Especially when I don't want to break anything. Sometimes they get into like the nitty gritty. Sliders around here. How's the print? Oh shit. My bad. I just set the dogs off. Whoops. How do I get this off without breaking this? It's kind of hard to tell because it's all black. What am I removing or what am I keeping? Don't break. It actually came out really nice. I don't want to break any of it. Come on, FDM. You're convinced making games in the most rewarding way to program? Yeah. You know, since I started building this, because, you know, I've been building websites for so long, and I like, websites has like a bit of that rewardingness, because you have millions of users coming to the website a month, and, you know, interacting with things that you build. But there's nothing like interacting with a video game that you programmed, and like, it is literally a story that you are telling, you know, to the person that's playing it. And being the fact that I have an actual series, like a sci-fi fantasy series, to tell, it's awesome. It's an amazing medium, and I can't wait to get like a real fucking demo out and let people actually start playing it to its full potential, which, you know, the demo is going to get you to Orbem. Orbem is a fantasy universe that a bunch of scientists have to escape to go to. Escape what? Exactly. And so the demo is basically just getting to that point, which is kind of the first quarter of the book. So the demo is basically the first 5 chapters of the book. Yeah, What the Film is awesome. We love creating digital products, but creating a story is amazing, yeah. 100%. Something that came from your brain, 100% your brain, onto whatever. Paper, code, painting, whatever you want. It's coming from you. It's like the ultimate expression, which is badass. Oh, am I getting it? Kinda. Come on, dude. You got this. Yeah, my only problem is there's definitely like a point that needs to have a hole that I stick that stem into, and I don't want to break that whole section. I think I'm getting there though. I felt like this is that hole, but no, I think it's just a piece of tree. Ooh, this was probably not the best idea. To put all the goddamn tree supports on the area that I need to actually stick something into. Come on, buddy. Yeah, and all the music you hear in the background is my music. Either stuff I've made for the game or made through with bands over the years. This is a project that I've been working on with my buddy Crooktooth, and most of the music's available online if you like any of the songs. Not that you can like super hear them. I don't like to make them too loud, especially my music. It's brutal. Yeah, and I made all the music in the game, all the videos. I've had to do pretty much everything, mostly because I'm cheap. Oh, there we go. That's pretty good. Yeah, mostly because I'm cheap. And then the other part of it is that I like control. So that's kind of hard for me as well. Yeah, I think it's good enough to at least put her on the stem. Let's see. No? Maybe I have it backwards. Do I have it backwards? No, that's right. Right? She's not really sticking that well. I mean, I'll probably have to glue it, maybe. Unless I can put... No. Yeah, no, it has to go the other way. This is actually correct. Sheet. Yeah, I'll probably glue these on, but this is the basics of the white rose. Mostly hardcore screamo. Think 2006. If you were alive then, I don't know how old you are. Yeah, she came out pretty good though. It's kind of hard to tell because she's all in black. This is the white rose from Alice in Wonderland. I gotta clean her up though. Yeah, hardcore screamo. You can hear some of it here. Yeah, it came out really good. So here's one of the songs. It's me and him, my buddy, screaming and singing together. There cometh a y'all. I do most of the high screams. Right. Actually, I have a new song with him right here that I gotta record on. Let's see. This one will be fun, actually. Oh yeah, I was gonna add some shit to the beginning of this. Hold on. You never actually understood clicked with screaming music, but you can 100% imagine how it can make people feel like EDM. Yeah. 100%. Yeah. Yeah, it really just depends on what you're listening to as a kid. That's pretty much it. Like, this is, the starting music. Like, I like actually making some more... I don't know what to call it. There's so many genres of like EDM, house, that kind of stuff. But like the starting music. Oh, did I get logged out? That's weird. Like this is a song I made for just the beginning music. I have fun layering and like just creating stuff. Yeah, just random shit like this. That's always fun. Hell yeah, man. You can... The problem is I kept having streamers, when they'd ask about the game, they'd come here, and they'd be like, oh yeah, let me check out your game, man. And, it would ask them to create an account. I'm like, and they were like, oh, I'll do it later, you know? So I was like, I have to make this easier. So let's just fucking, what is it? Let's just use Google Auth. Allow them to fucking create a quick account and jump right in. Which I actually haven't tested that in a second. Let me make sure this still works. So yeah, if you go here, log in, sure. And then it should just log you in. Uh-oh. This is why I need to test. I think it logged me in, but it didn't refresh. No, it didn't log me in. Shit. I bet I could be logged in. It seems like the response isn't doing what I need it to. I might have screwed it up, actually. Yeah, it's definitely missing... Where is it? I should actually get this fixed before I leave. Google... So I have the Google... This is all working fine. It's the return logic that's missing. Which is here. The set... No, this is the button. Where's the actual... Oh, handle token response. Oh shit, what happened to this? Oh crap. I deleted this somehow for some reason. Uh-oh. When did I do that? What happened to my handle token response? I might have done that. I was testing it maybe. Shit. When did I do that? Yeah, I was doing a bunch of fixtures this weekend. Yeah, no, nothing. Send access to tokens. Interesting. What happened to my fucking response to the token? Because it's not... Google... Oh, here it is. Yeah, I did have a response to this. But it's not... It's not doing a post request, though. Yeah, I was kind of fucking around with ChatGPT on this one. Let's see if it has the part that I removed. Because I was using a plugin, a WordPress plugin, and the mini Orge plugin just was not auto-logging the person in. And I had this working. I don't know why I removed it, though. And I did not commit my changes, so I don't even remember what the fuck it was. So the button works fine. It's the handle auth token part. Where is it? Handle auth. Handle custom Google. Oh, here's the redirect. Yeah, this part. No. Oh, maybe. Action Google SSO. So this is the auth handler. But how do I send the person to it? It's this. I do the fetch. I redirect them. But there's no way for the... Oh no, because this is a post. Wait, am I doing that? Oh no, I'm not even doing the fetch. I think that's the problem. No. Yeah, no, I'm not doing it. Two of what defined? Of the handle token response? I'm definitely defining more because I have like a login button and then I have like a join. So they have to both do things. Oh, do I have two of these? Oh shit, you're right. No, that's just a callback for this one. No, I only have one. Maybe I have it in the register. Well, because this is what I was using. Yeah. I think I need to use this and do the fetch call. I think I'm just missing this fetch part. Where is it? Where's the fetch part? No. Where was it? Fetch. Fetch. This part is what I'm missing. I think. Let me try adding this back in here. Using the website, which I don't need to do site URL. Should be able just to do this. And do I need to send a token? Oh, yeah. Maybe. Access token. Maybe. No, see, I think this is... Yeah, but it's in PHP. So this is the server side call. I need to call this and send credential, which is credential the token? No, see, I think this is doing the login part. So technically handle Google response is not. Doing it for me. Because all I'm doing right now is the button, and then it gives me a token. Alright, Indy. Yeah. I might have to save this one. See, no, but I had this whole functionality where it refreshes to a local storage. It's because I was using a different functionality before, I swear. Yeah, well, this is just for logging people in separately. Womp. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix this. Well, good thing I tested it. So you can... It probably creates an account. I don't think it logs you in, though, unfortunately. It might not do either, actually, so I need to connect the dots on this. I don't know what happened, because I swear I had this working this weekend completely fine. And I must have fucked something up. But, hey! 1 Powie 2 Feathers Sisters of 1. Thanks for jumping on, man. It's good to talk to you. I hope you come back. Hope you're subscribed so you can catch the notifications. And, yeah, it totally was working. I think I wasn't getting auto-logged in or something, and that's why it was screwed up. I swear it was working. I need to do some more going back and forth, because that's really annoying that it's decided to stop working for me. But yes, everybody, thank you so much for jumping on. Game Doodle, Indy, always a pleasure. Kuzo, YouTube Bud, Dak Dude, all the fun people that had jumped on today. I forgot everybody on YouTube Show's live feed, their names, but appreciate it. Appreciate your time, and yeah, man, have a great Wednesday. Nice meeting you as well, and I'll catch you in the next one. Everybody, oh, I'm going to do a quick raid, considering that there are a handful of people that decided to jump on, and I don't want to leave them hanging. Since I'm leaving, let's send you to somebody that isn't leaving, such as my good friend Grumble of Pugs. He's making an awesome back game, and I think you'll really like it. So, yeah. Have a great night, everybody. Catch you in the next one. You guys are my favorite. And, yeah, make sure you buy all this stuff on Orbem.shop. Don't forget Orbem.shop. It is the lifeblood of Orbem. See you later.